My task is to perform exploratory data analysis on the dataset of global terrorism. So this is our dataset. So this dataset contains many useless many useless columns. So our first task is to do data cleaning on this dataset. So with the help of Power BI, first of all, we transform the data and perform the data analysis after that. So we remove the useless columns and we only used these particular columns: year column, country, region, success, attack type, target type, nationality, group name and weapon name, and we performed visualizations on this data. So this is our visualization. First of all, we have sum of success of attack type. So we can see that bombing explosion has the maximum sum of success. So these are the top 5 success by attack type. And this is shown with the help of pie chart. This is sum of success by target type, and we can see that private citizens and properties has the maximum sum of success. And here we can see that the sum of success by weapon type. So we can see the weapon as explosives. Here we can see in the map that which place has the maximum sum of success. We can also select a particular country, for example Afghanistan. So we can see that all the data visualizations changed, and now it is only showing of this specific country, Afghanistan. We can also select multiple countries, for example let's say Pakistan. Yeah, and we can see that the data visualizations changed, all the pie charts and bar charts changed. So let's just remove it. We can also select a specific timeline here. For example, if we want to see the data between 2000 and 2005, and we can see that bombing and explosion happened maximum is 4334, and private citizens property and so on. So let's revert it back to default. Now here we can see that sum of success by region, and on the top we have Middle East and North Africa. Similarly, we used area chart to show sum of success by group name, and we can see that Taliban has the maximum sum of success. In the page 2 we can see sum of success and number of attacks by year. So we can see maximum sum of success and maximum number of attacks happened in 2014. Sum of success by weapon type, explosives. Sum of success by nationality is Iraq, and count of attack type by year is 16,694, which happened in 2014. So these are the data visualization tools used in Power BI. We have used slicer here, and these are all the visualizations. We have used filters, and that's how we can perform data analysis